I did randomly grab. I'm sorry, don't yell at me. You mean like with your day, or what? Is there like a certain issue going on? What are you talking about? I'm sorry, I had to do a little burp. Can I get your best burp? I don't know. I don't know. Aw, Chris, thank you for the roses. You're such a sweetie. Okay, hold on. Let me get you that. I don't know about my best burp, but I'll try and get you a good one here. That was a good one. I need you now. See tomorrow, tonight, go crazy. Cute outfit, thank you. Oh my goodness, Chris, with all of the roses. Gonna make me blush here.